Is Microsoft Office crashing because of the Microsoft Office Interop Excel module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Avoid long manual edits from Microsoft Office Interop Excel module by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Microsoft Office Interop Excel module, the mandatory interop library for Excel. If you face a missing error, ensure the file is in the root directory of the application, as interop libraries are often distributed as non-portable local dependencies. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Because Microsoft Office Interop Excel module DLL is a verified system file, we need to run an integrity check. Open Command Prompt with administrative rights and execute the sfc/scan now command to refresh your core Windows library automatically. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Microsoft Office Interop Excel module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Microsoft Office Interop Excel module DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining Microsoft Office Interop Excel module. If Microsoft Office Interop Excel module is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.